Today is a new install. We are installing the cooler intake by PRL Motorsports for the Civic. Sheesh, look at that piping. This filter was smaller than I thought. It's like about the size of almost my hand basically. Look at that, that's a lot bigger than stock. I know for that for sure. Got your hardware, just a couple stickers. Right there it says the race map housing, and what that does is basically it allows more airflow for this housing because this housing is a lot bigger. Now, without further ado, we are gonna get this installed. I'm gonna try to get this on at least before the sun starts coming down. It's already coming down already. Yeah, we're gonna get this on the car. On the car, we already have a K&N intake, but I didn't put this on. I actually bought this with the car when I did originally buy the car. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off, sell it, and then put on the cooler intake. So I already have the old intake off, and now I already have plenty of space to do the intake. I'm excited for this, guys. Alright guys, so I already got everything installed. Show y'all guys more footage in the daytime, but as of right now, I'm just gonna show y'all guys just a little sound clips before I do a daytime clip. But just hear it already, hear this. Like, holy shit! That thing is loud!
Wait, what?
I made the shifter turn. I felt it twist and I went into third.
Hello, she must be nice.
Alright guys, that is the intake. Check that out in daytime. Y'all guys can see a lot better. I know it's already dirty, but I need to clean the engine bay. I used to have a K&N intake on it, and it wasn't as loud as this cooler intake itself. But I think it sounds a lot better. It definitely pulls a lot more because I bought the race map version, which it has a bigger housing. If you get the street version, you don't need a tune for it, but if you get a smaller math, you don't have to get a tune, but it will just pull less air. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time and next one.
No man.
No man.